Hope all are safe and healthy by taking good precautions. Children, first I am sorry to be late. Why? Because technical issue for the late. Okay, children. Children, we are continuing our class, online class, that is art and craft class with me. Welcome back to our class. We will start our class activity with the uses of only scissor and glue, sketches, color papers, right, children? Children, in this, see, I am using a artificial eyes. If you don't have this artificial eyes, you can do with the white paper and the black paper. I will show you this also. I have artificial eyes, but if you don't have this, I will show you to how to make this eyes. Right, children? Let's start our class, children. Children, I am making a toy with the help of papers, like paper strips with the face of joker or any smiley, right? See, children, I have white papers and color papers. I am using here 3 color papers in different colors. One is in green, blue, pink, right? And I have here one face printout, children, joker printout, and I have drawn this on white paper, and I have cut it out. This I have this cut out, right? If I use this, I will use this. If you don't have printout, you can draw as it is like this. Then you can use this face. Let's start, children. Children, I am using here I am drawing here one straight line, children, with the help of long scale. It's 1 centimeter, just 1 centimeter, 1 to 2, right? Draw it lightly, children, not dark, right? Light ga draw cheyali, gattiga draw cheyaddu, right? See, light ga just meeku kanipiste chalu, okay na? On 3 papers I am drawing as it is same lines, children, 1 centimeter lines. Draw it neatly in straight line, that too in light, not to darkness. On 3 papers as it is we have to draw, children. If you have another colors, you can use 4 to 5 colors also. Just I am using 3 colors here. Now we have to cut this. On the line, which line we have merged, right? A line manam geesam kada ikkada, aa line painane manam cut cheyali, right, children? For 3 papers. I hope, children, you are doing with me. Why? Because we are sending you yesterday evening only we have sent you what requirement you need for this activity, right? Hope you are doing with me. Children, don't depend on recorded videos, okay? See in life and do it. It's very easy. Right children, see, I have here 6 strips. Children, you are thinking that why we have to cut the paper, why should not we can take satin ribbons or paper ribbons? No children, we have to take only A4 sheet paper. Right? Now children, see, for all strips I have one size. Right? I have total 6 strips of papers. Now I am dividing to here to equal size easily. Children, if you have any problem to maintain the scissor, you can take the help of your elders like brother, sister or your parents, right children? See children, I have small mark on the strips. Now I will paste the strips. Look here children, first I am putting as a straight line, right? Now I will paste a glue on the middle which I have folded the paper and I have got a one small line now. On that I will paste a glue, apply the glue, and I am using another color. If you want same color, no, I too using the same color. See, paste it as plus, right children, plus, one straight line and one sleeping line, right? Now again apply the glue, another color in X mark, right children, X laga we have to paste as a X. You can say into mark also, is equals to into, right. Now see children, I have 2 more space here. In this I am using one more color strip, that is sky blue, right. Now finally our 6th strip. Totally how many strips we have used children? 6, right. Now let this dry. I will take papers, will take blue color and I will draw the circle here. Circle to double paper children. See, I am not taking another paper which I have strips I have taken with this paper. Just I am folding that to 2 parts tightly. Now I will draw one circle. If you have any bottle cap, you can use. If not, a small bangle you can use. I am drawing directly children. See, I have drawn the circle. Now I want this circle to cut out. Children, in previous classes I have explained you how to use the scissor. Scissor should use from back of the scissor, not from mouth. Front ga use cheyaka, we have to use from back. Now children, see, I am going to paste this one circle. I have 2 circles. Why I have taken the folding paper? No, that's why I got the 2 circles. Now I am using first circle. I am applying the glue here. Now I am going to paste on this. See children. Now I am going to fold this. ఈ సర్కిల్ ని నేను కింద చేసేసాను. నౌ ఐ యామ్ ఫోల్డింగ్ దిస్ సేమ్ యాజ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ కలర్ స్ట్రిప్స్ టు కలర్ స్ట్రిప్స్. See children, pink to pink we have to paste like this in a circle way, right? How it will be stand? It will stand. See. Now paste it and leave it. right? Now again I am taking pink color. Now children, see how to take this from one from down, one from up, right? Right? If you have taken like this, no, from up only, this round, the first circle will become like half circle, okay? Now apply the glue down and paste it here first, down side. Now this another side of the strip is on upside. Right? We have to paste in this ఇదే సిస్టమ్గా మనం అన్ని స్ట్రిప్స్ని పేస్ట్ చేద్దాం, ఓకేనా? యూఆర్ అండర్స్టాండింగ్ చిల్డ్రన్? Right? Now up. We have to follow this process only children, up and down, right? Because it's maintain the balance. Don't be confused children in colors, that's why I have taken 2 to 3 colors so you can understand very easily, right? Do it easily children, don't be in hurry burry, తొందరగా చేయకండి, do it easily, you have a lot of time, right? Children, in previous classes I have explained you some toys. Did you complete that? Prepare చేసారా ఆ టాయ్స్ని? ఆడుకున్నారా దాంతో? Yes children? Yes, you are very good children. I hope you are doing very wonderful with the help of your parents and elders, and you are showing to your neighbors and relatives also, right? Don't forget this system, the children, one up and one down. Why? Because it will be in balancing, balance గా ఉంటుంది, లేకపోతే అది బెండ్ అయిపోతుంది నాన్న, ఓకేనా? ప్లీజ్ కొంచెం టైం తీసుకున్నా పర్వాలేదు, కానీ డూ ఇట్ ఇన్, సి ఇట్స్ లుకింగ్ లైక్ ఏ బాల్. Shall we play cricket with this ball children? Yes, boys like cricket, right? No, we cannot play with this ball. So children, I have one more circle which I have cut it with the before only. Now I am pasting this on upper side of the ball, you can say now. Why? Because it's looking like a ball. Easily children, easily. See, if your finger is not helping you to go inside, no, just use the pencil or pen or scale, right? I am using here pencil, you too can use the pencil, right? Let this dry. Okay children, now I am going to draw some like hands children, hands and legs and neck. So I am using another color so you may understand easily. I am using yellow and purple children. See, I am drawing directly children. If you want to print out, you can take, right? See, I am drawing the palms. This palms I am drawing here. It's easy to draw, children. Better to draw only, no, don't go for the printout. If you don't know, you can take the help of your parent. They are always ready to help you, right? See, now I have one black paper also, children. In previous classes we did not use any black color, right? In this class we will use, because black color is getting hurt. Why? Because we are not using that too in classes. See, I'm drawing here foots like a shoe or vowel shape, right? You can see after the cutting you can understand easily. See, I have told you, right? It's like a doll or toy. You can say anything, right? So this become a foot like legs. Children, don't use paper. Sorry, don't waste paper, children. Try to use waste papers. Maximum extra wastage ఉన్న papers ni use cheyandi for small cuttings, right? See, I have hands too here. Children, this we have completed. This we have to paste first on this hands like this, right? Ila manam paste cheyali. Let's do it. It's looking like a hands or not, children? Yes, it's looking, right? See, I have 2 hands, 2 legs. Now we have to make a neck, children. Neck prepare cheyali, okay na? See, I'm using here yellow color paper, as it is 1 centimeter. Children, we have taken for ball strips in this position. For neck we have to take in this position, right? 2 strips. So children, we have to paste these corners, not straightly. One is vertical, one is right. Let this dry. Let's move to our ball first. Now we have to paste these legs down, children. See here, right? Shall we do it? See children, take this ball here. Let's paste this first. See. Right? Use pencil children if finger is not going inside of the ball. These are foots or legs, right? I have used in black color children. If you want to use brown and another color you can. Now I am going to paste here hands. Right, hands will be here. Right, one more. Right children, see it's looking like a small body, right? Now children, it's dry now. See what to do. Down strip should come up, side one should come to right. This is right side. Now we have to bend for left side. Up, left, up, right, down, left, up, down, left, right. See, we want 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 steps of this two strips. 1, 2, 3, 4. See children, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we have to cut this. First we have to paste this and after that we have to cut. Right. See, I am removing extra strips. Right. See. Now children, we want small like a stand in triangle shape. See, I have taken 2 centimeter of paper and I have divided into 2 parts. Now it's a small part I am pasting here like a triangle. Now we have to bend this. Right? See. Okay. Now children, I have one printout. Shall we use this or shall we use this which I have drawn? I am using this children. I think everyone don't have the printout, no? Shall we use which I have drawn? Where is this? See. Children, in before class also have explained you to don't do the first outline, right? Children, I am using this artificial eyes here. Now I will show you how to make the eyes also. Just we have to complete this first, then I will show you, right? Now I am using the sketches children. Which color you like you can use. I am using 4 to 5 colors here. First I will color the hat of the Joker, children. His name is Joker, right? Children, in before classes I have explained you how to color, right? Do it line by line, right? And color should not come out also. Children, as it is, you know, tomorrow is the Sunday. You have to do, children, you have to do this activities. Why? Because it will change your mind. Anyhow, I have explaining you in before classes also. Now also I am repeating. Children, please do it. It will coloring is a very good therapy for your mind, you know. You can use any color, children. I am using which color I like. I am using that. You can use any color which you like. చిల్డ్రన్ ఎనీ టైమ్ యూ సే ఎప్పుడన్నా జోకర్ని చూసారా మీరు? జోకర్ నోస్ ఈజ్ ఇన్ రెడ్ కలర్, రైట్? ఆల్వేస్. పెద్దగా రౌండ్గా రెడ్గా ఉంటుంది, రైట్ చిల్డ్రన్? ఫర్ హెయిర్స్ I will use orange color, children. Children, you don't cut before the coloring, you cut after the coloring only. You can take the cut out, right? If you are taking before, no cut, మీరు coloring ముందే చేసుకున్నారంటే problematic to do the coloring easily. Right? Children, you can use poster colors or crayons. If you don't have sketches, you can use crayons also. If you don't have crayons, you can use color pencils also. If you have poster colors, it's very good, you can use. When you are using poster color, children, clean your brush very neatly. Right? If not, your another color will be spoiled. వేరే కలర్ ఖరాబ్ అయిపోతుంది ఆ కలర్ మిక్స్ అయ్యి, రైట్? ఫర్ మౌత్ I will use pink color, children. Just I will take a outline all once. For cutting, children, you take the help of your parents or your elder brother, sister, anyone, right? And show them you are doing this. I'm doing this activity, mama. I'm doing this activity, papa. You can show them, right, children? Children, you are following the app, right? Right, children? See, children, now I am pasting the eyes. With the help of same glue. Right? See, our Joker face is ready now. This triangle shape I am going to paste back of the face. See, between mouth and nose. Right? See. Now this zigzag strip I will paste like a neck. Right, children? Now see, this base should be pasted onto this neck. For pasting also you take the help of your parents, children. Why? Because it's very small things, no? You will do, you can do, but you are the small children, no? So might be it will be problematic to you. Children, here for the neck and this strap I am using the double tape, children. Right? See. Right? Now see. With this we have completed our toy making activity. Right, children? It will dance. See. Why we have used this eyes, children? Can you say? Why? Because it will be sound when this is shaking, no? It gives us sound, right? Now I am putting like this, children. You can see. Right? You can see. Now, children, I am showing you how to make the eyes. Right? Just 2 minutes. So, children, just take the small piece of the white sheet, draw oval shape in with the pencil or circle you can, and one small circle in the big circle. Right? Now take the sketch and scroll it out, not in line, round గా చేసుకుంటా మీరు స్మాల్ సర్కిల్ని వదిలేయాలి. రైట్? If you want oval shape you can take, if you want circle you can see. Cut this, take this cut out and paste it as like a eyes, children. Okay? Okay children, we have completed our activity, that's making joker or toy with the papers. Hope you are doing with me children. If you are not doing with me, it's okay, you can do tomorrow. Tomorrow is the Sunday. Hope you will do, and after completing this activity, send in your class groups, right children? Bye children, hope you like this class. Shall we join to another class and next week, right children? Bye.